If you want to become a better painter and get faster, here's a challenge you can try with me. I'll be painting this little still life arrangement picked from my garden. All right, there's my 10 minutes. Let's paint. I like to be sure I have everything I need, like having enough paint squirted out and a handful of brushes of different sizes so I don't have to wash anything in between colors if I don't want to. I find that having a couple of strokes of my darkest dark and my lightest light laid in is a good roadmap. Did not squirt out enough of my purple. My purple might not be perfect, but these big juicy strokes of color are really making me happy. And that's exactly what you want in this challenge. Just throw it on there, look at the shapes, don't worry about too much detail at this point. See that pile of messy paper towels? I used those a ton during this challenge to wipe my brush in between colors. Ooh, 10 minutes is not long. You really have to boil it down to what is important, what you really want to say in your painting. Trying to make a really dark color for my center of my Black-Eyed Susans here. I don't have any greens in there yet. Ah. There we go. One tip for these challenges is to put your timer somewhere so that it's directly in your line of sight, where you can see it easily and it keeps on prodding you to just keep going, keep going. I really just can't get over how much fun this is and the side benefit of how much it has improved my painting. If you want to learn more about why exercises like this are a great idea for you as a painter, check the description under this video. Oh boy, almost halfway through. I don't know why when I'm brushing I feel like I need a whisper, but color mixing is one of the many things you have to kind of let go of when you're doing a spontaneous challenge like this. Just get a color that's close and get on with it, because it's going to be okay as long as you capture the impression of what you're doing. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, I'm doing something I know I shouldn't do, and that is I'm repainting things I already painted. I gotta move faster. One of the hopes for this exercise is that it forces you to be really spontaneous so that then when you are just painting in your regular setting in your studio or a regular plein air painting that's untimed, you bring that sort of freedom into your everyday painting. I'm just trying to carve in some kind of a background here. One thing I've been trying to do is not to lay strokes, very many strokes at least, in on top of one another. I'm trying to paint in a single layer and lay the strokes in next to each other and carve in around the different elements. At this point, with close to just 2 minutes left, I'm really just looking around the canvas, looking around the composition to see, are there any little single brush strokes or little hits of light or dark that I can add that'll make a high impact before the time is completely gone. Wow, I am so loving this. Who knew that painting fast could just be so much fun? For almost the entire challenge, I was just looking at what big shapes I could paint and what big brush strokes I could get in. But here, when I'm getting close to the end and I know time is winding down, I'm trying to put in just a few tiny details and a few little pops of extra color. Okay, I'm in the home stretch. About 30 seconds. If you're enjoying seeing this 10-minute challenge unfold with me, remember to like and subscribe to see more videos. I have to say, at this point, I got really distracted by that little teeny sliver of time that was left on the timer. I just knew it was going to go off any second. So what do you do when you know you only have a few seconds left? I decided to try and mix up one more shade and see if I could get it up there. And time is up. 10 minutes,
was a real challenge. I really had to push it to get paint on my canvas, and it is a lot of fun. You definitely should try it.